In this video, I will show you how to change your region on the Temu app. So to get started, go ahead and open the Temu app on your device and then sign in into your account. So you can go ahead and continue with your Google account, with your Facebook account, or with your email. So click on your preferred sign up method, and then since I want to continue with my Google account, I'll simply need to select the Google account that I want to continue with, and then that will redirect me into this section. So in here, you can go ahead and enable or disable notifications for your Temu application. So I want mine to be disabled. And then once you're on Temu, go ahead and click on that U button at the bottom middle of your screen. And then from here, click on that settings button at the top right corner of your screen at the right side of the customer service icon. Now click on country and region, and then in here you can go ahead and select the region that you prefer to use for your Temu app, and then click on that switch to that preferred region, and then you'll be able to reload the app and view the items on Temu available for that region, and the currency used for each items would be based on that region. And that is how you can basically change your region on Temu app.